All right, hello. We're going to be reviewing for the Chapter 9 test on inheritance. There's a Kahoot coming up here in a second, but you need this hierarchy to be able to complete the Kahoot. So these are a bunch of different shapes and stuff from math class geometry, I guess more specifically. So pause the video here and see if you can sketch out a hierarchy of subclasses and superclasses. Okay, and there can be more than one like subclass, and a class can be both a subclass and superclass. So kind of just try it first before unpausing to see the solution. Okay, so looking these over a little bit, I think shape would sit at the top because all of these are shapes. All right, and then from there, let's see. So I think, uh, let's see, triangle and right triangle. So you'd have triangle would be a subclass of shape, and then right triangle is a specific type of triangle. So we'd build a hierarchy kind of like that. I can add in some arrows here quick. Again, I don't know why the arrows point up. I kind of hate that, but that would be a good start. And then let's see, for quadrilateral, rectangle, and square are specific types of quadrilaterals. And actually, if you wanted to be really specific, square is a specific type of rectangle. Okay, so I should draw my little hierarchy going up like this so that quadrilateral is the parent of shape. Sorry, is the child of shape. Rectangle is a child of quadrilateral, and square is a child of rectangle. And that would leave circle kind of also inheriting from shape, but then nothing else below it. Okay, so I think that's how you'd set up the hierarchy. And remember, it flows down so that anything, like if I have a method, I think in class we did something like if shape has get area, okay, then all of these ones down here would by default have access to that, or maybe it has a like a string variable that is name. So all of the ones down below will also have that name variable associated with them. Okay, and same thing, if something's in quadrilateral, it flows down to all the ones below it. Okay, that's how inheritance works. So you'll use this hierarchy. I'll save an image of it, but that's what you're going to use when you're playing the Kahoot. All right, thanks for watching.